This will be a short review of Writesonic AI Article Writer version 6. We will see how effective this version is. Writesonic have updated its AI article writer to version 6. I have been using Writesonic from Article Writer version 4, which was basic to OK as used ChatGPT 3.5 engine. Then it launched version 5, which was much better. I had to do little bit editing to remove AI plagiarism, but I was happy. Now they have launched version 6 in beta mode. It means in testing mode, and it is mind-blowing. How? To find out, watch the whole video. Before testing version 6, I am going to generate an article using version 5 and then version 6 using the same topic, and we'll find out which AI article writer passes the AI plagiarism better. The chosen topic is Best VPN Service for 2024. Click on Article Writer 5, write your chosen topics, click on Search Articles, do some basic settings, and click on Generate Article. Copy the generated article and paste on AI plagiarism checker undetectable AI. Here is the result. Do note that I did only basic settings and removed some reference articles, so it generated under 1,000 words article. Otherwise you will get better results. Now using the same topic we will create an article using version 6. Click on Try It Now and just follow the instructions as follows. It has generated articles with a word count of around 2,500. Now copy-paste the article on AI plagiarism checker. See the final result. Just give a little bit of human touch to the article and it will also be approved by CopyLeaks. You can use Humanize tool, which is pretty cheap. Link is in the description. So do not miss the opportunity and use this AI article writer tool to generate mind-blowing articles. You can try all the features for free and no need to provide any card information. Just sign up with the given link in description and start using link in description and start using it in 2 minutes. Try it and do tell me how this tool worked for you. If any queries, do ask me in comments. So do subscribe and comment, and remember, key to 6A is improvisation. Also do check this video, in which with one secret AI prompt got Amazon's best setting items and generated income for free.